how to rotate and straighten photographs on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever taken a great photo only to find it sideways or slightly tilted, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to quickly rotate and straighten photos on your iPhone using the built-in editing tools. Now let's dive right in. First, open up a gallery and choose the photo that you want to rotate or straighten. Then tap on the edit button. So it looks like some little sliders. Tap on it and then you'll see crop option. Tap on it. At the top of the screen, you'll find a button that allows you to rotate your image by 90 degrees. So it looks like a square and an arrow. Tap on it and there you go. The photo is now sideways. Now you can rotate it however you want, and you can also do something more. What you can do is tap on the auto option and the auto automatically adjusts the image to straighten the horizon or correct any vertical line. It's a quick and handy feature. You can also adjust it by using the slider down below and just hit the done button, and that's it. Once you're happy with the adjustments, you can post this straightened photo everywhere. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quick tips on making the most of your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.